Good morning, dear students. Welcome to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. All living things reproduce their own kind. The process of a living being to produce of its own kind is known as reproduction. Human beings reproduce by giving birth to babies. Some animals produce their young ones through eggs like birds, turtles, snakes, frogs, etc. Some animals give birth to the young ones, like dogs, cows, cat, etc. Even many plants reproduce through seeds, wheat, rice, and pulses. Some plants also reproduce through parts other than the seeds, such as tuber, potato, cutting rows. We can see in the slide how birds lay eggs which after hatching produce young ones, even a baby. Some animals which give birth to young ones. A seed from a plant germinates into a new plant. A new plant grows from a bird to a potato. Do all living things move? Human beings, animals and birds can move from one place to other. We can also move our different body parts. Plants are generally anchored in soil, so do not move from one place to another. However, various substances like water, minerals, and the food synthesized by them move from one part of the plant to other. Plants also show movements by opening or closing of flowers, bending of plants towards light, touch me not, leaves closed or fold when someone touches them, etc. All living things have a definite lifespan. All living things remain alive for a certain time and finally dies. Lifespan of different living organisms is different. Human beings has an average lifespan of 60 to 70 years. An elephant lives for 70 to 80 years. Tortoise can live for 120 to 150 years. Butterfly lives for only 1 to 2 years. Annual plants like rice, wheat, complete life cycle is of one season. Carrot, complete life cycle is of 2 seasons, and perennials complete life cycle in more than 2 seasons. Trees like banyan tree lives for 2 to 300 years. Some people trees have been reported to be 2000 years old. Do some non-living things also show some of these characteristics? Yes. Cars, bicycle, clocks and the water in the river move. The moon moves in the sky. A cloud grows in size. Can such things be called living? In such cases, we need to ask ourselves, do these objects also show all the other characteristics of living things? In general, something that is living may have all the characteristics that we have discussed, while non-living things may not show all these characteristics at the same time. All living things definitely show all the characteristics of the living that we have discussed. Is it always true? Consider mung seeds. Is it living? A mung seed can stay in a shop for months but do not show characteristics of life. Did the seed need food? Did it excrete, grow, or reproduce when it was in the shop for many months? But after planting and watering, it turns into a whole plant. Deciding living or non-living is really difficult, but seeing at the diversities of life, it can be concluded that life is beautiful. Thank you, dear students.